Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil, part of Boggle Socks TV. My name's Andrew and this is
Amber.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw tree trunks from Adventure Time. Shall we get started?
Yeah.
Let's begin. About here we're going to start with the eyes, okay? So
Here?
one eye there and one eye there, yeah. And we're going to do a black circle there. And then just along about here we're going to do another black circle, like that. And she's got really glossy, shiny eyes, so we're going to do like a semicircle in the top right hand corner there. And then we're going to do a smaller semicircle in the bottom left hand corner, like that. Excellent, very good. And while we're here, we might as well just quickly colour that in black. So we've got nice, shiny, glossy eyes. Okay, so starting about in between the eyes, about there.
Right here?
Yeah, so just in between the eyes, just to the right, okay? Okay, we do a little dot just so we know where to start. And we're going to do like a letter J. And then when we get to the bottom of the J, we're going to do like a diagonal line going up.
Like for the trunk.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're going to do. So like a J, and then it's going to go up, like that. And then we're going to follow that shape. So we're going to do the same, kind of do the same shape, just a little bit smaller, running parallel. So it's going round, like that, and then up. Good. Now Tree Trunks is a little bit old, isn't she?
Yeah.
So we're going to put like a little bit, like she looks a little bit tired. So we're going to put some little lines under her eyes, like that, so she looks tired. Because she's been making apple pies all night.
Or thin and shape.
Yeah. And then we're going to do her mouth, which is kind of smiley, okay? So we're kind of doing from here, a smile going up like that, and up like that. And then either side is kind of a little bit like a heart. So we're going round like that, and round like that. Yeah, that's great. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go straight down and across for her teeth, like that. See where that line ends? We're going to carry along and then up again for the other side of her teeth. Okay, and we'll do some slightly curved lines like that.
Like brackets.
Yeah, like brackets. That's a really good description, okay? And then we colour this in black. So the corners of her teeth look a little bit sharp, so we're just going to round them off a little bit.
One sec.
Yeah, that's it. Now, see where her eyes are?
Yeah.
Because as I said, she's old,
Yeah.
isn't she? She's like a grandma, isn't she? She's got a little bit of a crease in her forehead, so I'm just going to do like an arched line, like that, joining the two eyes together. Now at the end of the trunk, she's got something on the tip of her trunk which she helps her to pick things up, doesn't she? So it's
Like
kind
all elephants have.
yeah, so we're going to try and draw it like an M, like that. apple that she's holding, we're kind of going to do like a heart, but not a sharp heart, like a roundy, bubbly heart. So I'm going to go round like that, and then it's going to go in a little bit, and then round like that. And then at the top we're going to do a stalk, so we do a line.
Oh, for the apple.
Yeah. Well, what's she going to make the pie out of?
Apple.
Yeah.
Because it's
And we're
apple
gonna do
pie.
Another little line at the top there, like that.
Oops.
And then we're going to go back down that way. And then we're going to do a leaf shape, like an oval shape here, like that, and then like that. And in the middle of the leaf, we're going to do a diagonal line. And we're just going to do another diagonal line that way, like that. Now the apple's nice and shiny, so do you remember we always put like a semicircle in the top right hand corner, because the light's coming from this side, so we do like a bit like that. And then we kind of make some curved lines in the direction of the apple, so we're going to do some curved lines like that. Okay. And then along the top of tree trunk, we're going to do some little lines, straight lines along there, like that, so we can see how our trunk is bending. Okay, so it's nearly time to do her legs, so if we think where her mouth is, one of her legs is going to be there. Okay, so just about here, we're kind of going to do a U shape, like that.
Right here?
And then see where that line, imagine that line carries on, it starts there, yeah? So we're going to go up and round and stop there. Good, stop. Okay, and then we've got to do her ear. Okay, so we are going to do like a curved line like that for that ear. Now for you, hold on, because you don't have a lot of space, I'd do a curve that way and then a curve joining that so that it's behind the apple.
So say she's putting her ear to the apple.
Yeah, that's it, like that.
And
Like that, that's good. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so the next thing to do is we want to do like a straight line from there to about here. Okay, and then we're going to stop. And yeah, let's see where that eye is. If we kind of just go down to there, like a straight line down from the eye to there. We're going to do another U, but we're going to leave a little gap. Okay, so we do a U or a V shape like that. And because elephants have got kind of wrinkly skin, we're going to do another curve. What would you say that curve is? Like a backwards J?
or like a C.
Yeah, like a C, something like that. So we do a curve that side. And we're going to do another curve on the other side, like that. Okay?
This one actually does look like a C.
Yeah, it does. Okay, so she's kind of really like a box shape. So we're going to do a diagonal line, a small diagonal line going off in this direction, like that. So just about here, we're going to do a little diagonal line like that. Okay? Now we're not quite sure how long to make that unless we put her other ear in. So from here, we're kind of going to do like a W shape, okay? So
Like a big floppy W
big
shape.
floppy W shape, so I go like that. Okay, and like that. Okay? Got it?
Yeah.
So you need to do
Oh,
down
sorry.
and round and like that. Really good. Now here we're going to do another sort of like a, let's think, we want to do the U about there, yeah, so that's kind of like there's a leg on each corner of the box. Okay, so we're going to do another U shape there.
Right here?
Yeah, that looks good. And then we're going to do like a roundy shape this side.
Like for the C.
Yep. And then on this side we're going to do another curve that way. Okay.
So it's joining up to the ear.
Yep, perfect. And then hold on, from here we're going to go round and then we're going to join up to the top of the head. Okay. So from there we're going to go round like this and then it's going to go like that. Okay. Now, she's got 4 legs, so I'm just going to put another little leg, just a little lump there, like a U shape, so you can see there's another leg behind, okay? Brilliant. Okay. Now here, we're kind of going to do a wavy line, like a stretched out S.
For a tail.
Yeah, so for her tail, so we go like that, and it's kind of an angle. Okay, and then we're going to do another one following like that. Awesome. Now what we're going to do now is do a little circle on the end. And then 3 little lines. And then on the top we're going to do another sort of oval shape like that. Another oval shape like that. Okay, so that's going to be the bow on the end of her tail. I'm just going to add another little line at the top there, and I'm going to add 1, 2 curved lines there to be the creases in her ear. Okay.
Oh, sweet.
And what we can do is put a little shadow underneath her feet. So just roughly we can scribble between those legs.
When it's time to colour in, I'm going to do that with green to say she's on the other grass.
So you're going to do it later. Okay, so we just do something that makes it look like she's casting a shadow. Okay? So now we're ready to colour it in. Wow, what an awesome drawing of tree trunks.
Thank you.
That's fantastic. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to receive notifications,
hit the bell button in the box below.
If you enjoy our tutorials, don't forget to also give us a
big thumbs up.
Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.
Bye.